AI can write articles, design logos, analyze legal documents, even generate code. So the question isn't whether AI is powerful. The real question is, are you replaceable? Every major technological shift creates fear. When machines entered factories, people panicked. When computers entered offices, people panicked. Now AI is entering everything. And yes, some jobs will change, some roles will disappear. But history shows something important. Technology replaces tasks, not entire humans. Jobs with high repetition are most vulnerable. Data entry, basic bookkeeping, simple content writing, transcription, basic customer support, routine manufacturing. AI thrives on pattern-based tasks. If a job is predictable and rule-based, AI can likely automate part of it. Companies leading this automation wave include OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, but here's what they rarely say. Automation usually affects tasks, not whole careers. Jobs requiring emotional intelligence, complex physical skills, creative strategy, human trust, real-world adaptability are much harder to automate. Examples: skilled trades, therapists, healthcare providers, leadership roles, high-level engineers, entrepreneurs. AI can assist these roles, but replacing them entirely, that's much harder. This is the key concept. AI often augments humans, not replaces them. Example: writers now use AI tools to brainstorm faster. Programmers use AI to debug code quicker. Doctors use AI to analyze scans. The human still decides. The AI assists think of AI like a calculator. When calculators came out, mathematicians didn't disappear, they became more efficient. The biggest risk is not AI itself, it's refusing to adapt. Workers who ignore AI tools may fall behind. Workers who learn how to use AI, they gain leverage. The future doesn't belong to AI, it belongs to humans who understand AI. Companies powering this shift rely heavily on hardware from NVIDIA. These GPUs process massive AI workloads, but they still require humans to guide direction. Short-term job restructuring, efficiency boosts, role reshaping. Long-term, entirely new industries, new job categories, new skill demands. 20 years ago, there were no social media managers, app developers, YouTube creators. Technology destroys some roles, it creates others. If you want to stay competitive, build skills AI struggles with: critical thinking, emotional intelligence, creativity, communication, strategic problem solving, leadership. Also, learn how to use AI tools, not fear them. That's leverage. AI will likely eliminate boring, repetitive tasks first. That could actually free humans for higher creativity, higher decision-making, higher-level innovation. But transition periods are uncomfortable. That's where fear lives. AI is not a job thief. It's a force multiplier. It will replace some tasks. It will reshape industries, but it will also create new opportunities. The real question isn't, will AI take your job? It's, will you evolve with it? If you want to understand the future instead of fearing it, subscribe to Garage to Genius.